Hello, I'm glad you are here today. In this video, you will listen to a short and easy story. The English is slow and clear, so you can understand better. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. Before we begin, here is a small challenge for you. There is a question in this video. Listen carefully to find the answer. You will hear it during the story. When you know the answer, write it in the comments. This will help you practice your listening and improve your English. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's start.
The question in this story is, where is the restaurant restroom? It's Friday evening. A husband and wife want to have dinner together. They walk down the street and see a nice restaurant.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, let's eat here.
The restaurant looks warm and welcoming. They smile and walk to the entrance. Inside the restaurant, a host welcomes them.
Welcome. Hello. Table for two, please. Of course. Please follow me.
The host shows them a table near the window.
Do you like this table?
Yes, this table is perfect.
I like the window view.
The couple opens their menus. There are many delicious dishes to choose from.
The pasta looks good.
I'm not sure yet.
After a few minutes, they are ready to ask some questions. The husband calls the waiter. The waiter smiles and walks to the table.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes, sir. How may I help you?
What is in the grilled chicken?
It comes with vegetables and rice.
That sounds good.
Before the food arrives, the wife has a question.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
It's down the hall on the left.
Thank you.
A few minutes later, the waiter brings their meals. The food looks fresh and delicious.
Here's your grilled chicken and your pasta. Thank you very much.
Wow, it smells delicious.
The husband and wife enjoy their dinner. Everything tastes very good.
This pasta is very tasty.
My chicken is excellent.
This is a very good restaurant.
Soon, they finish their meal. The husband asks the waiter for the check.
Yes, sir. How can I help you? Could we have the check, please? Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
The waiter brings the bill and hands it to the couple.
I'll pay by card. Would you like to add a tip?
Yes, add a 15% tip, please.
The couple stands up and walks toward the exit. They had a wonderful evening together.
That was a nice dinner.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.